The pioneer of the Aligarh movement, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, was born in October 1817 in Delhi. His family had been highly regarded by the Mughals, hence, he had the privileges of a wealthy family and exposure of the politics. His childhood was mainly focused on modern education under the influence of his mother. He also learned Quran and multiple languages including Persian, Arabic, Urdu and other religious subjects. His early career started after the death of his father when he lost the financial support to continue his education. He gave up his formal education and started to work as a clerk for the East India Company in 1838. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan had a versatile personality. His love for education made him emerge as a young author at an age of 23 when he started writing on various subjects in Urdu language, and later in 1842 he published a book called Great Monuments, which gave him the reputation of a scholar. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was also known for his loyalty to the British Raj, for which he was criticized among Muslim nationalists. His notable contribution came during the Indian Revolt, when he published a booklet named Causes of the Indian Revolt from a native's perspective to highlight the flaws in the British Raj. The publishing of this literature posed great threats to Khan's life in the time of chaos. He was also warned by his close friends not to publish and distribute such material. But to everyone's surprise, the pamphlet was widely read and had considerable influence on the British policy. His love for religion had been lifelong. He was the first Muslim to argue that Islam and Christianity were the two closest religions, leading him to work on the Bible as well. Khan had also written a series of essays on the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is said to have developed cordial relations between British authorities and the Muslim community of the subcontinent. He was devoted to work for education, leading him to establish schools in Muradabad in 1858 and Ghazipur in 1863. Most importantly, known for his Aligarh movement, when he laid the foundation of the Scientific Society in 1863. The society published journals on various scientific subjects translated in Urdu called the Aligarh Institute Gazette. It was in late 1860 when his life took a turn which changed his activities. In 1867, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was transferred to Banaras, where the Hindi-Urdu controversy had started to emerge. The goal of this movement was to replace Urdu language in the Scientific Society journals into Hindi. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan had been the whole-hearted advocate of Urdu language, and he realized that Muslims and Hindus had a separate path in the subcontinent. Therefore, he started an influential journal known as Tehzeeb-ul Akhlaq, or Social Reforms, to uplift the Muslim society. In 1875, he also laid the foundation of Madrasatul Uloom, now famously known as the Aligarh University. After his retirement, Khan focused himself even more toward his goal. In 1886, he organized All India Muhammadian Educational Conference to meet every year and promote education and facilitate Muslims with the same interests. His early realization of Hindu-Muslim divide within the subcontinent convinced Sir Syed Ahmad Khan that the emerging Hindu supremacy will not allow Muslims to take their place in the politics. Hence, he advised the Muslims to focus more on their education and establish themselves rather than joining politics. He was also against the Indian National Congress due to the fact that democracy was not only the solution in a society with different divisions of religions and a part of them having privileges over others. Muslims generally followed his advice until several years later when they established All India Muslim League in 1906. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan had served the Muslims of the subcontinent when he realized after 1857 that his nation needs him